Chevy. I'm whipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
I have to give it to him on Monday. Yeah, no, I'm at 180, so I he said he got my number. He was my old guy. So I'm gonna take him.
What's up, man? We out here at the event, man. There's a lot of people coming out. People still rolling out. The rain missed us, thankfully. So check out what we looking at. More and more people coming out. Bounce, 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 bounce. All right, rough. Beautiful, boy. Black, when black is clean, oh man, it's so beautiful. Yeah, man, we out here dusk to dawn or dawn to dusk. Me and my boy Pride too. Got them bikes out.
a big ass flag behind his lug and said Rabbit Fest 2000. Go and find a parking spot, bro. Put on the back of that bitch Rabbit Fest 2025. Registration right here.
I think it's 8.
That's a work truck. Yeah. Ride around on the lawnmower. Yeah. Still trying to get his ass to come over to my house and cut that fucking hill. But he don't want to battle them snakes down there. You gotta get out of here. I gotta watch the I'm gonna throw that bitch back up on you. I had to get that. You gotta aim for that head. I fucking goddamn got that shimmy one, man, because I had a rattlesnake in my backyard and shit, man. Yeah. On my back deck. Killed my fucking lizard.
Got that Brawley Ram. I like it. The monster.
Hey, keep it around 6.
Yeah, A-Town is on the gear. A-Town, yeah. Y'all know how we get around this time. Young blowing, good joint, yeah. I told that thing, yeah, I mean, had lean clothes, feel like green, like ice and white tea, and white green. I'm about real cheese, get back to the street, back with good joint, back for the A, back, reppin' for the slum. Put your hood up, show a nigga where you from, and if they hate that, then get the job done. What we find, it real, fucking hard, something hard, like me, what we like, never wrong.
What's up, baby?
Everything good with you? Yeah, I need to come see you though.
Okay.
I've been chilling because I'm like, we still got so much time, and every time I turn around, I'm like, damn, that shit's 3.5, 4 weeks away, you know what I'm saying?
There you go. Yeah, whenever you ready though, I had. Yo, I got you. I'm gonna send you the link.
You know what to do. Take it to the flow, call out your whole crew. Like Quest, give your boss. See, we still don't give a damn, and I never gave a fuck. See, I'm big time, let's stay blinded. We're 4 or 5 3. I'm a big ring sign and shine, stay grinding.